know that you suffered an injury after a medical procedure, but now you're wondering, why will an attorney not take your case? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about one of the reasons why an attorney might not take your case. Before I go forward, I want to make sure that you understand the elements that are needed to be successful with a personal injury, or what we call a tort case here in Maryland. And that includes medical malpractice cases, car crash cases, any type of injury cases. But back to it, the four elements that you have to prove are duty, breach of duty, causation, and damages. For today's video, I would like to talk about that fourth element, damages. And in the personal injury or the medical malpractice area or arena, what we're talking about when we say damages, what we're talking about is the harm or the injury that was done to you. To be successful with these particular cases, you have to understand that there's a lot that goes into the process, and these cases can take a very long time. And if your damages or if the injury to you is not enough to offset the cost of the case, then you may have a very hard time with an attorney taking your case. Let's say, for example, that you have a medical malpractice case and your case may be worth $50,000. But to be successful with the case, it takes $100,000 to prosecute the case, from experts to depositions, court filing costs, and things of that nature. It takes about $100,000 to be successful with the case. This means that you're going to be upside down in this particular case. So this might be a reason why an attorney may not take your medical malpractice case. Even though you have an injury, you may be upside down when everything is said and done. So why have I taken the time to explain this to you? Because I would like to give you insight into the process. I would like to help you understand what you have to prove to be successful in a Maryland medical malpractice case. If you have questions or concerns about your situation, or if you're just even wondering, are you the victim of medical malpractice and is it a good idea to file a case here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. It costs you absolutely nothing to do this. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. If you're like a lot of people or a lot of our clients who contact us with these types of cases and these types of situations, more than likely you are worried. You may be confused about the process. Go ahead and pick up the phone and call me, because by me explaining the process to you, that will help decrease your level of worry, and it will help decrease the confusion that you may be going through right now. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.